What's going on, everybody? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. Just wanted to put this little quick video together for you guys to wish you all a happy and safe weekend. It is Friday night out here, and I am glad that the markets are over. But before I get out of here for the weekend, I wanted to touch on something very, very important. And I'm going to be putting these videos together from time to time just to express certain key components that offer traders a lot of success, and this is really geared towards the newer trader, but today's message is this: when you're coming up and you're starting in this business and you're starting with trading, you know, there's a lot of value in keeping things simple. There are only a few things that you need to focus on when trading. It's strategy, it's discipline, it's risk management. A lot of these things are correlated and tied together, and super important to have a trading philosophy that works for you. And I say all this because I experience this a lot as an educator, and that is that a lot of people get caught up with the semantics of trading. You know, the markets only move in three directions, primarily two most of the time: up, down, and sideways. It's very, very simple. Let the markets do what they're going to do. You have no control over them. Pick a direction, go to work. Keep things simple. If you're a trader, understand your niche, stay in your lane, keep it simple. Understand the importance of discipline and risk management, and keep it simple. There's so much value in just keeping it simple with trading and not overcomplicating what you're doing. When things get tough, be patient, keep it simple. Focus on your risk management and don't overcomplicate things. And this, again, is primarily for the newer trader. Please don't overcomplicate what you're doing. It's super simple. This can be a very, very rewarding situation for you guys if you do the right things at the right time. And a lot of knowing what to do and when to do it just comes from focusing and educating yourself on the market and understanding one very, very specialized niche trade. Low floats, options, whatever, you know. So many different areas out there that you can make money trading. But at the end of the day, when you find that thing that you're attached to, that you want to trade and that you want to focus on and become a specialist in, keep it simple. It really is just that. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Don't second guess your analysis. If you understand technical analysis well enough, and you can back that with fantastic, solid risk management and discipline to exercise risk management correctly, I mean, you've got like 90% of the game in the bag. Really, it's that simple. Don't overcomplicate this, guys. Please, please, please. If you have any questions, you can email me directly at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, again, email me. But I'd really like you to drop a comment in the comment box below and let me know what your thoughts are on this video and on things you'd like me to make in the future, and offer me some direction on what you want to hear. But with that being said, I gotta say to the new trader, and even to some of the veteran traders that are out there, don't forget to keep things simple. When you overcomplicate things, you just open yourself up and you're adding a layer of risk, unnecessary risk, to your trading profile. Keep it simple. Like I said the other day, it's about patience. You know, like I said in another video, it's about discipline. It's about not having an ego. And those are all very, very simple concepts. You know, for the most part, things are very binary. You either do X or Y. So when it comes to trading, if you know that something should be done, then just do it. It's that simple. And if you overcomplicate it, you open yourself up to an unnecessary level of risk. So just please be careful out there, but keep it simple. My name is Julian from J. Lewis Trading. I hope you guys all have a great and safe weekend. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And again, don't forget to drop a comment in the description box below. I want to hear from you guys and know what you guys are thinking. As for me, I am done, and almost dropped my phone.